Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you here a tiny camper. It is the V594 S Sport from Chausson. It is 541 centimeters in length, and for something like this you're looking at that much money, under 50,000 euros. So it is really one of the cheapest vehicles you're going to find on the market. And this is the sports line, so you got an extra 8,000, and that's now put up to 58,000. So it's no longer one of the cheapest you're going to find on the market. What is nice about this though is in a tiny area you've got so much packed in. Now I need to say this because people said to me in the past that you can get vans smaller than this. Well, I don't know them. Not vans you can stand up in, not vans which have got a washroom, and this is the important bit. It must be self-contained. For my interpretation of what a camper van is, this is self-contained because it's got that down there, it's got a toilet, it's got a shower, and if you're really fussy, although this isn't an essential, it has a sink in there as well. But look how much space there is also in it for a vehicle of this size. So that I think this is super positive. It's also got a window there, so if you want to keep an eye on what's going on outside. Now one thing coming back to the here is obviously you want to put your head here. You can sit up in bed. The storage on the other side is bigger, but it doesn't leave much room for your head, but you're gonna have to store things somewhere probably. Anyway, here we've got sink, we've got 2 burners, we've got drawers below. This is a very well equipped, I think, because it really is using the amount of storage to the max. Now at the front we've got there isn't any storage. Personally I prefer that, so you can stand up easily when you're in the front positions. It also comes with a forward facing bench. Now if you got the tent, you don't stand on the table, by the way, or any you use the ladder to get up. There'll be a ladder somewhere around. I think I can see one right now. It's in the tent in the roof, and a tent obviously does add a fair bit to the price. We can see down there we've got a net in front of the bed. It's there to stop things sliding around, which you might keep down there. There's of course a fridge here that beeps and opens the other way as well if you want it to. There's a mosquito net or fly net in the door. Let's go around to the back, see what's around here. And right, so got the storage area. Like with all camper vans, what you will get, you can move this stuff around. So this is 3 pieces. You can take this out, put it back right, and you can do what you want with that to give you more space for storage. In here we will find the gas cupboard, so you've got 2 full-sized gas canisters will go in there, and that will keep you going for ages and ages. And in here we have got, I don't know if you should really put storage with things like that, but anyway, I think I would. Nice rear, of course it's not insulated in the rear, but can't expect everything, I suppose. Windows here, fly net, and there's the plissé bit. You can of course open them, 3 opening points on it. Now I'm a big believer in small vans myself, and the advantage is of course you can park the things just about anywhere you want, and well, within reason. Maybe I'm going over the top, but it's much easier to park a small van than it is a big van. So there you go, Chausson Sports Line V594. Thanks so much for watching. Upload every day at 21:15, and bye for now.